Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. Chef Dave is trying to photobomb me. Okay, if you're new to my channel, you may not realize that I do keto in a little bit different way. So I do a higher protein, moderate fat version of keto that is recommended by doctors Stephen Finney and Jeff Volek, who recommend a higher protein level and a lower fat for maximizing fat loss while also retaining lean muscle on a weight loss journey. I hope you'll get some good ideas from my video and you'll like what you see here. And if you do, I hope you'll like and subscribe. Okay, so today I'm having my typical breakfast: 2 fried eggs, about 48 grams of center cut bacon, 227 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with mango peach, I think, Mio, and 1 ounce of halloumi cheese that I have fried up in my bacon grease. And then I have a cup of Creole brew sweetened with stevia and with a little half and half. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Okay, so this is what I'm going to have for my meal too. Sorry about the bad lighting, but it is actually dark and I'm underneath a street light out here in front of Walmart there. Okay, so I have the half-pound roast beef from Arby's and a side salad with ranch. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Okay, so today at Commonwealth School, I just brought my basic breakfast, only pre-made. So I have 227 grams of Fage 0% Greek yogurt, and this bowl did not hold up. It's kind of squished. I sweetened this one with berry pomegranate Mio, then 2 boiled eggs, an ounce of provolone cheese, and 60 grams of center cut bacon. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alright, so for dinner tonight, I am having zoodles with chicken, provolone cheese, and ragu Alfredo sauce. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. This, my friends, is what we call a failed attempt at making tuna patties. I didn't really look up a recipe, and I just kind of made something up. And I'm guessing I needed an egg as binder or something, because, yeah, it was unsuccessful. So we shall call this tuna fish hash. And what I have here is 4 ounces of canned tuna, 50 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt, 1 ounce of cheddar cheese, and then 30 grams of center cut bacon. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. And yeah, I'm still going to eat it, even though it does not look that appetizing. It actually tastes pretty good. I put a little mustard, a little salt, some light salt and for potassium, and a little bit of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. So it's actually pretty tasty, even though it doesn't look that amazing. Okay, so tonight at Chubby's, we are having the chicken Cobb salad, which has blue cheese, bacon, grilled chicken, veggies, and egg. And I think it has cheddar in there too with ranch dressing. I'm not 100% sure. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. You guys want to... Because your face is messy. It's funny. Okay, I'm on my way to a dance practice, and this is going to be my first meal of the day. So I made the tuna patties that I did yesterday, only this time I put an egg in it and some Parmesan instead of cheddar, and 30 grams of yogurt instead of 60, and still 30 grams of center cut bacon. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. All right, ignore the crying children. There's always crying children. He wants to go outside, and Dad just said no. Anyway, I'm having chicken salad with 5 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of provolone cheese, 3 tablespoons of ranch dressing, and 100 grams of tomatoes, and 1.5 cups of lettuce. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Happy Sunday, everybody. For first meal today, I decided to be a little bit more creative. I decided to eat an entire package of Applegate Naturals ham and 33 grams of center cut bacon. Inside the ham, I've got 2 ounces of 1/3 less fat cream cheese mixed together with some Hatch Valley salsa. And then I have 1 ounce of those little squeaky cheese curds, garlic flavor that I've had in a couple videos in the past, and then a cup of Creole brew sweetened with stevia with a little heavy whipping cream, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. All right, sitting here at the computer watching some YouTube, editing some photos, and I am having my favorite meal. It is zoodles with 6 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of provolone cheese, and a half a cup of ragu Alfredo sauce, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Good Monday morning, everybody. This is my regular breakfast. I've got 44 grams of center cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, an ounce of bread cheese that I fried in my bacon grease, 227 grams of Fage 0% Greek yogurt, this time with orange vanilla. No, it's not orange vanilla. It's just regular orange Mio flavoring. And then a cup of Creole brew sweetened with stevia and heavy whipping cream today. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Okay, so tonight I am having like a Philly cheesesteak kind of deal. We've got 7 ounces of cross rib steak that has most of the fat removed, some peppers, and 2 ounces of Swiss cheese. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Happy Tuesday, everyone. This is what I'm going to have for breakfast. It's my same breakfast that I have pretty much every day. 2 fried eggs, 44 grams of center cut bacon, 1 ounce of halloumi or bread cheese, and 227 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange pineapple smash Mio. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Okay, so tonight I'm having my favorite chicken, provolone, and ragu Alfredo sauce over zoodles. And that is going to be my last meal of the day and the last meal of this video. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you got some tips for your own weight loss journey. Be sure to hit that like button and stick around for more tips and tricks for your own before and after transformation.